Hello students, good morning. Once again I welcome you in the today's science class. As you know, up to the last timing we completed multiple choice question of this lesson. Now our next topic, that is the question B, that is the fill in the blanks. Please keep in mind, only check your knowledge, short answer and long answer completed in your notebook or remaining only in your textbook. Now question, we have total five questions in this fill in the blanks. In this, now look, first question, dash are the green colored pigments, and your answer will be chloroplast. Chloroplast. Next question, dash bring about cell division, and this answer, that is the dash bring about the cell division, answer that is nucleus. Okay, now next one, dash it small spherical body present inside the nucleus, then your answer will be nucleolus. That is nucleolus. Next number, dash are also known as powerhouse of the cell, that is mitochondria. Or next, that is vacuoles present in the cells are, that is larger in size. Okay, that is larger in size. This is the matter of fill in the blanks. Now next question, that is about the match the following. Match the following. In which we have two columns, question column and answer column. Now everything come in your mind. We have this is column first, or this is column second. Here we have 5 questions, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. और इधर आपको मिलेंगे, that is A, B, C, D और नेक्स्ट वन E. इसमें ध्यान से देखिए, फर्स्ट का आंसर होगा आपका B और उसमें ऑप्शन लिखा होगा जीन्स. That is gene. Next number, lysosome, that is suicidal bags, means second का आंसर A होगा. Suicidal bags. Now next number, that is third one, cell membrane, or answer number third, that is semi permeable, that is D option होगा, semi permeable. ये सब आपके ऑप्शन में लिखा हुआ है. और फोर्थ आंसर, that is the C, स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट, इसके सी वाले को करेंगे आप स्ट्रक्चरल एंड फंक्शनल यूनिट, और रिमेनिंग that is fifth will be E, answer will be fifth number, its answer will be E, और ये होगा प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस। प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस, इतनी बात समझ में आ गई। उसके बाद आपका नेक्स्ट मेटर होगा दैट इज द नंबर डी, दैट इज ट्रू फॉल्स। इसमें आपको टोटल 4 क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे, 1 2 3 4। Question first, cell membrane is present only in animal cell, that will be false. Second number, bacterial cell is eukaryotic cell, this also be false. Next number, genes are present on chromosomes, that is true. और लास्ट नंबर, plastid are present both in animal cell and plant cell, that is false. This is our question number B, C and D is complete here. Now we come to the our next topic, that is the short answer type questions. Be careful. क्वेश्चन नंबर ए से लेकर डी तक का सारा काम आपका बुक में कंप्लीट होगा। स्पेशली अगर आपकी ओल्ड बुक है तो प्लीज चेक केयरफुली, न्यू बुक है तो जो हमने बताया उसको कंप्लीट करिए। एट द टाइम ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन यू प्रिपेयर दीज क्वेश्चंस ओनली फ्रॉम द बुक। नाउ वी रीच एट द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक, दैट इज द शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप। शॉर्ट आंसर टाइप में आप जो भी कर रहे हैं ना, वो सब कुछ नोटबुक में कंप्लीट होगा, शॉर्ट और लॉन्ग। यस, नाउ दिस इज द क्वेश्चन नंबर ई, दैट इज शॉर्ट आंसर short answer. Now look, first answer number 1. What is your question? What are the functions of a cell membrane? Please look, functions of a cell membrane are functions of cell membrane are, or first number, that is it provide protection to the cell. Number first, it provide protection to the cell. Second number, it gives shape to the cell. It gives shape to the cell. Third number, it allows transport of material. It allows transport of materials. In and out of the cell. In and out of the cell. This is your answer number 1 complete here. Now look what is the next question. Question is in this manner: how is a bacterial cell different from human cell? Now please look. Bacterial cell is different from human cell, different from human cell because bacterial cell is prokaryotic. Prokaryotic cell, but human cell is eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell. Okay. Second point, nuclear membrane is absent in bacterial cell. In bacterial cell, nuclear membrane in bacterial cell, well organized nucleus is not available. But in human cell, well organized nucleus is present. Yes. Okay students, this is enough for today and we will complete our remaining work in the next video. Thank you very much.